Hello my croutons, and welcome back to what appears to be becoming a sort of series for this channel. Today I'll be showcasing a random assortment of free resources I found while scrolling through the RPGMaker Forum pages. Remember that these are in no particular order, links are in the description. Check with each individual creator before using these in commercial projects, as each of their policies are different. And here we go. Number 1. Elemental Temples. So while scrolling through the forums, I found this page, and while it doesn't contain any tile sets or the like, it does have a very handy addition that blends well with the RTP graphics. Each of these temples are well made, and could be used for a variety of things, especially as an entrance to a dungeon that's a bit more pretty. There are 11 temples, each one with a different element, and all of them being of incredibly high quality. Definitely go check these out. I think they will really help spruce up your games. Number 2. Retro stuff. Rebocion has really outdone himself here. He has an overflowing amount of well-made retro assets. They mostly consist of icons, but there are also balloon icons, tile sets, window skins, and even a custom, made with MV, splash screen. If you're looking to make a unique-looking retro game, these resources will really help you out. You can make a completely unique-looking game with just these assets, or, even better, these could be used for some small game jam entries. Number 3. Basic tiles. Now this is probably the smallest resource set I've covered, but it is still an amazing addition to have to your game. It's basically the grass, water, dirt, sand, and bush tiles completely redone in a different style. I personally think it looks very good, and if you want to make your game stand out just a tad from the default RTP, I would use these. Number 4. Amy's MV resources. Now, I really love this resource page. These are still being worked on and are of amazing quality. There are custom window skins, icons, remade and custom sprites, and also remade and custom face sets. These will blend well with the RTP and look absolutely fantastic, especially the face graphics. I do recommend you use these in older engines, as that's where most of the sprite remakes came from, but you may do as you like. I highly recommend you check these out, even for just the face sets. Number 5. BIS style RTP. Now this takes the cake. In my opinion, this is the best set of custom sprites I have seen yet. It's all of your favorite RTP heroes, including Harold, remade in a unique, entirely custom way. The sprites are taller, better detailed, and just honestly look amazing. The face graphics are also of high quality, and I think what just blows me away is how BIS has remade basically every single character included in the MV RTP. It must have taken such a long time, and for these to be shared for free is just a treasure. Go check these out, really. Do it. Number 6. Chinese animation and tile sets. These have got to be some of the nicest looking animations I've seen yet. They are just gorgeous. Just look at that. Oh, and there's also some tile set additions that are completely unique and don't resemble the RTP at all. I'm not 100% sure how you would use these, but hey, the more the merrier. Oh, and there are supposedly more animations made every week, so keep an eye out. I would say these are a must-have, especially if your game is heavily focused on battles. Number 7. Dwi's MV Bin. A random, beautiful assortment of tiles that will fit perfectly with the RTP graphics. There are generator parts, tile sets, gorgeous A-tiles, including some pipe tiles and an opening grate for their entrance. Icons and curved well walls. These are just very nice additions to have and could fit into a variety of situations. Really, my croutons, just check out all of these, and make sure to leave the creators a thank you. They are helping us all out with free resources, and they are not getting paid for any of their time. I truly appreciate what each of these creators, and the many more that I haven't seen yet, who are helping out this community that I love so dearly. I hope this video helps some of you, my croutons, to find those resources that you really need. Until next time, goodbye.